I am showing you how to remove dark circles. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Go to Filter, Other, High Pass. Make radius 4.0 pixels and hit OK. Change blend mode from normal to soft light. Select bottom layer and create a blank layer. Select soft round brush. Mode is normal, opacity 100% and flow 25%. Press Alt and pick sample color from brighter area of skin. Start painting dark circle. And we remove dark circle. Here is before and after. If you like video then like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.